Hi and welcome to Lesson 6 of Chained Products for WooCommerce Troubleshooting and Advanced Settings. In this video about chained products, I will demonstrate how to configure advanced options for hiding or displaying chained items and prices. Troubleshooting common issues and managing database level adjustments are covered here as well. Let's begin. Now, let's configure some advanced settings. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Next, select the Products tab, then click on Chained Products under the Products tab. In the visibility options, you can choose to either hide or show chained items in the cart or during checkout. You can also adjust the visibility of prices for chained products to meet your store's requirements. For instance, hiding individual prices for chained products can create the appearance of a single bundled item. Once you have configured these settings, click on Save Changes. Now, let's troubleshoot some common issues. One frequent problem is that chained products may not appear in the cart. To address this, verify if the chained items are correctly linked in the product editor under the Chained Products tab. If a product is missing or a component is out of stock, it won't be added to the cart. Ensure that all chained items have adequate stock levels. For more in-depth troubleshooting, it might be necessary to examine the database. Access your website's database using phpMyAdmin or a similar tool. Locate the product meta table and search for entries related to chained products. Ensure the linked product IDs are correct. Directly editing these entries can resolve issues where chained products are not synchronizing properly. Always back up your database before implementing changes. Finally, use descriptive names for chained bundles to avoid confusion when linking products. Utilize these features to ensure smooth store operation. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.